Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with a nail update on the super cute pink puffball nails that I got from Shein. Let's get into it. So this was day one, the first day that I did these nails, and I was so in love. They came out so cute. If you missed the tutorial, go ahead and check it out. And so if you saw the tutorial video, you know one of my concerns with these nails is how the puff ball is going to be once it's wet, because I mean I have to wash my hands and shower and wash dishes and stuff. So this is how it looks when it's wet. It looked like a little wet dog. But basically, every time I would wash my hands or get my hands wet, I would just take a paper towel and kind of squeeze the water from the puff ball first, and then just like continuously use the paper towel to fluff the ball back up. So I'm just taking the paper towel and I'm kind of like rubbing it, and then I'm using my thumb and my index finger to kind of like fluff the ball back out. And then once it dried, it was just back to normal. And I'm also blowing on it as I'm using the paper towel to fluff it up. So I'm blowing the wind from my mouth and fluffing it up with the paper towel. And as you can see, it bounced right back. But by day 5, the puff ball had had enough. It looked like it just has had it. And by the way, I didn't even notice that this nail had a $ charm up under that puff ball until at that very moment that I was showing you guys how the nails looked. So yeah, this was day 5, and I ended up taking the puff ball off because I do hair on the side, and I had a hair client and I wasn't going to be able to braid with a puff ball on my fingers. So on day 5, I did take the puff ball off, and this is my right hand that I'm showing you guys. And as you can see, my right hand puff ball had had it as well. So this is how the nails look without the puff ball. And I also took off the $ charm because I need my middle finger to braid. So I was able to keep the charms on the pinky nail and just remove everything off of that middle finger. And as you can see, they still look cute. They still looking good, holding up. And this was day 6. And as you can see, they weren't lifting, bending, nothing had broken, came off until this point right here. Boom. I was on my way to work and I was just trying to film real quick just to document for you guys, and then boom. Hey Chalk Nation, I am at work and it is Thursday, so we are almost to the weekend, and I'm about to get into some coffee because I got a lot of work to do. And yeah, the best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. But I want to give y'all a quick update on these nails. Today is day 6, and as you can see, I lost my pinky nail on my left hand. It came off this morning. But the rest of the nails have held up just fine. They haven't lifted or bent or broken anything. So the set is good. I think I'm gonna get my glue out my purse and put my pinky nail back on for today. So I don't be walking around with my hands like this. And then later on when I get home, I'm going to get into a new set. I'm going to take these off and put on another set. And my right hand is still going strong. Nothing has broken or bent or lifted. I mean, y'all know I took the puff ball off the middle finger. But other than that, they've held up just fine. Like they could I could wear these for another few days without them coming off. But y'all know I switch my nails up every week. So yeah, these definitely would have made it to at least 10 days. But I be getting bored with my nails so fast and be ready to get into a new set. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my work day started and get through these 8 hours. And then when I get home, we're getting into a new set. So I'm gonna call y'all back later.